everybody, it's Emma Girly here with another unboxing, this time of the Stickii Club Pop Pack. You can tell that because it's blue on the back. And just a reminder that I am visually impaired, so therefore I will be using the zoom on my camera and my reading glasses to figure things out. How is everyone? It is October, it is spoopy season. I can't find the opening. Wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't mess something up for a second. Everybody ready for trick-or-treating, Halloweeny? If you're not from countries that celebrate Halloween, how's your October? Do you have holidays in October? Let me know. Okay. I don't think I got the pop pack last year in October, so I don't know what I'm expecting, but you got a sneaky peeky while I sit here and toss away the envelope. Alrighty then. There's your sneak peek. How do you feel about that? Huh. What do we got here? The pop pack is the popular pack. I'm going to assume that's what pop is. Kind of like, you know, pop music. Alright. We are going to take out our theme sticker here. I'm seeing ducks. Am I seeing ducks? I'm seeing ducks. I'm seeing ducks. All the feels? All the feels are right now. That is perfect for the way things are going in my life. I love ducks. My sister's gonna want to steal all these, especially since I see we got a vinyl sticker in here. Of a giant. Is that a cleaver? Is that a murder duck? Is this duck ready for murder? Oh my god, that's so adorable. In a not real murder kind of way. Okay. We're coming off to a really good start. Now, what do we got down here? Oh! Our packaging is different, unless it tore in shipping. What do we got here? Do we have, let's see here. Your emotions are valid. Well, yes, they are, but what is this? It's not a notepad like what we usually get. I fib. They're little pieces of paper. I want to zoom in for a second here. Find out what this is. What are you? First of all, these are the cutest faces because, you know, that's angry. Angry. We got excited, I want to say. Got a big sad. Rye. Calm. Calm doesn't... Oh, it does have a face. It's just really dark. Yep, that's me all the time. Nervous. What are you for? Tear to see. Coupon total. What? It does have, like, perforations on it. What in the world? This is the maker's mark, the branding for this person. I mean, are they stickers? I don't know. I don't think they're stickers. I don't understand, but at the same time, it's really cute. Your emotions are valid. Yeah. And it's definitely, like, they're perforated. Do you share them with people? Do they lick and stick? No, I don't feel any glue. I'm confused. This is going to be the majority of the video, just being confused at this one item, and they're all the same. I mean, what you could do is you can take out the one you're feeling that day, and use some glue and put it in your planner. I don't know. All right. Again, this is how this is going to go. A little bit on the strange side. All right. Looks like we got 8 sticker sheets. Very interesting. This last one over here is in plastic. I don't know what's going on there, but let's take a peek. All right. We got I'm going to say cat faces. Do we have some cat faces here? We have interesting cat faces. Inconceivable? Does that say inconceivable? Oh my god. If you know what reference that's from, put it down in the comments. Hard pass. Sometimes. No. Oh my god, these are cute. These could be things where like you put them on your paperwork at work. If you have like a boo. If you have a boss that's really like fun and not mean, like my boss used to be. Fear me. I am the night. Oh my god, I like the one with his mouth wide open. Don't go there. No, wait. I hate it here? Okay, don't put that one on your paperwork. Just don't do it. No. I don't wanna. That's me. 100%. Here's the branding. I'm going to follow this person because I love this. You don't say. What? I would love one that would have said, like, you can't sit here. I don't know why. I've only ever seen the Mean Girls movie, like, twice. But for some reason, really into it. Okay, let's turn it around so we can look at some of these clear ones. The ones that have, like, it's not a solid background. And we go ducks. And there's our murder duck. Is he just an angry duck? First of all, who doesn't love this? Oh my god. Excuse me. There's our big sticker, our big vinyl sticker. Okay, looks like they repeat a little bit here. Is this? There's Stickii Club. No, it's made by somebody. I'm gonna follow you too. Alright, looks like we've got some links of stickers that might have symbols on them, might have words on them. Oh, they're bracelets. Oh, I remember like making these when we were in school a million years ago. I'd have to zoom in so far to be able to see what they say, and I don't want to. But they're cute. They're very cute. You know what? I'll do it. I'll do it. Does that say anxiety? Anxiety Club. Okay. I feel you. I get you. I definitely get you. We're getting branding. I get you. I like that. I like these. Those would be good headers. Good for like if you want to separate different sections of your planner, you can like, put it down. I like that. I like that design. Those are, and it's very nostalgic. Very nostalgic. I love that. Thank you. All right, what do we got here? I don't know because they're really, really teeny tiny. You guys get to see that first, so let me see it. Vroom. Decorations for a house? Like, I see some cleansing supplies. There's a coat. There's a bag. There's a couch. Could you make like a little scene with this? Because that'd be cute, don't you think? Like if you had like a background that you could do that in. Too bad the couch didn't come with like a little coffee table. You could put some of these items on the coffee table. Who made this? Somebody at Stickii Club did. These are really cute. You could make like a little tiny scene. Like maybe put the couch, and then like some of the hanging plants behind the couch. Like, add some little... I kind of wish it came with like a little table. Because some of these things like the wine glasses and whatnot, you could put like in front of the couch, put the little... Like make a whole scene like you were doing The Sims. That's fun. That's fun. I like that. I already looked at that one. All right. Are these like little gift tags again, or are they full stickers? I want to say they're full stickers. Okay. All right. Oh, they look like little ticket stubs. Don't quit. I'll do what I want. Today's a good day to have a good day. They're affirmation kind of things. Yay! That's a little, like a pixel kind of sun there. I love that. Fun ticket. I guess these are supposed to be like happy taunts. Happy taunts. Night thinker. It could be. I love me. Sometimes. It depends. Do we have any? Okay, yeah, the last sticker on here is branding. I wonder if they know that some people like that, where they make it a sticker so they can put down somewhere like, hey, this is where I got these stickers. I don't know. Helps if I turn on the thing. There seems to be another set here. Are they exactly the same? It doesn't look like it. Wait, are these like the reverse of those other ones? Like those were the inspirational ones and these are just like ones? Cause like not gonna. I'm not gonna. That's okay. No, some of these are aspirations too, like make it happen in your 20s. I did not do cool stuff in my 20s. Not at all. It would have been fun. The golden ticket. I like that sticker. I like that. It would have been funny if these would have been like the opposite, like kind of like looking like the cats. But here we go again with the branding, the artiste mark. Okay, we're almost through here. So we only got one sheet of duckies, but we were still in the fields. All right, what do we got here? We've got bat cats. Love bat cats. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Look at their faces. They're so fluffy. That's a cute little skull. Could you imagine if cats could fly? That would be terrifying. Especially like when they're always trying to jump on you and they just leap at you. Here's the artist. Oh my god, that's so cute. I love it. I love that they're not all like being evil. I mean, okay, cats being evil is kind of cute, but I love that they're not all being evil in the stickers. That's cute. Now, down. I am making a mockery of the table here. Down to the last one here that's in plastic. I don't know why. Maybe they're able to like sell it outside of Stickii. That's why they actually, because it's just a cardboard backing with some like really cool designs on the back here for Halloween. And then the actual stickers. Take the plastic off. Get a zoom. Hey, I think it's the skulls from the last one. They look very similar. Pumpkin faces that look like dittos. Okay, so it's repeats all the way down, but these are so cute. Yeah, it's the same artist as the last one with the fuzzy cats. That's adorable. Oh my goodness. All right, let's give you a better look at the back here. There's the fuzzy cats. I didn't even see it. That's great. Okay, so you remember how like I thought this was just a backing card, like when you find stickers at the store and whatnot? It is not. There's two of these. And it says mood tracker. I'm thinking that you could glue this and put it into a planner. And I think these stickers, like depending on how many days a month you want to go or whatever, you could put them up this way to track your moods. I didn't zoom in. This could have dates on it. I think it does. Oh, let's zoom in a bit. It does have dates and it looks like you could put them in. Now, is it a specific month? 30. It's got 30 days. So not a specific month. And the symbols on the card don't show that they have, like, some of them had faces and some of them don't. So here's to denote which ones the faces are. That is great. What are we thinking? I really enjoy this. Oh my God. I didn't even know what, you know, sometimes this pack is like, you don't know what you want until you get it. And then you're like, I'm so glad I got that. I definitely think my sister's going to steal the duckies though. I don't know if she still likes duckies. I know she likes monkeys, but duckies, especially murder duckies, I definitely want to share them with her. All right. Thank you so much for coming to me with me. Thank you so much for coming with me in this video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.